Yeah. Mahaganadhipataya. Yeah. Good morning. Good morning to all. Good morning, Teja. The previous class I have done with trigonometric identity problems. All the problems are solved. Actually, I need to start circles in the class, but I don't know how many will be attended. Till now, how many are there in the class? 20. Only 20 people are joined. 22 are not joined. So 15 are there. So I'll go ahead with the applications of trigonometry, some more problems. Okay. On a horizontal plane, there is a vertical tower with a flagpole on the top of the tower. At a point 9 meters away from the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of top and bottom of the flagpole are 60 degrees and 30 degrees respectively. Find the height of the tower and the flagpole mounted on it. That is the question. What is the question? There is a vertical tower . There is a vertical tower and a flagpole on it. AB is the vertical tower and CA is the flagpole on it. From a point 9 meters from the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of top of the flagpole and the bottom of the flagpole are given 60 degrees, 30 degrees. The angle of elevation of top of the flagpole 60 degrees, bottom of the flagpole 30 degrees. Okay. And we know that the tower stands on the flat surface, so it makes an angle 90 degrees with the ground or with the surface. Now, we need to find out height of the flagpole as well as height of the tower. We need to find out height of the flagpole, that is AC, and height of the tower, that is BA. Both we need to find out. Okay, do it. What is AB, children? What is AB? Am I audible? AB is the vertical tower. Yes. What is AC? AC. Flagpole. Good. We need to find out both the heights. Not flag Kriti, it is flagpole. Kriti, it is flagpole, not flag. We need to find out the tower height as well as flagpole height. And D is the point of observation which is 9 meters away from the foot of the tower. And from D the angle of elevation of top of the flagpole is 60 degrees and the bottom of the flagpole is 30 degrees. We need to find out X and Y. Now consider triangle CBD. Consider triangle CBD. Okay. Tan 60 degrees is equal to x plus y by 9. Root 3 is equal to x plus y by 9. X plus y is equal to 9 root 3. Let it be 1. X plus y is 9 root 3. Now, consider triangle ABD. Tan 30 degrees is equal to y by 9. 1 by root 3 is equal to y by 9. Y root 3 is 9. Y is equal to 9 by root 3. Into root 3 by root 3. 9 root 3 by 3. So 3 root 3. So we got height of the tower. Height of the tower is 3 root 3 meters. Height of the tower is 3 root 3 meters. Now you tell me what is the height of the flagpole, children? Height of the flagpole. Okay, 6 root 3 right. 6 root 3 right. Yeah. Y we know 3 root 3, x plus y is 9 root 3, so x is 6 root 3. Next question. Two men are on opposite sides of a tower. Two men are on opposite sides of a tower. They measure the angles of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees and 45 degrees. If the height of the tower is 50 meters, find the distance between the two men. Take root 3 is 1.732. Okay. So the question is, there is a tower and P and Q, two men, they are standing at P and Q on the opposite sides of a tower. Two men, they are standing at P and Q. P and Q are points of observation where P is on one side of the tower and Q is on the other side of the tower. Now, height of the tower is given as 50 meters. Okay. The angle of elevation of top of the tower from P, the angle of elevation of top of the tower from P is 45 degrees and from Q is 30 degrees. Two men standing on the opposite sides of a tower which is 50 meters high. Let it be, the point of observations be P and Q. So from P the angle of elevation of top of the tower is 45 degrees and from Q it is 30 degrees. And what we have to find out? We need to find out the distance between the two men. Distance between the two men. Okay na? So what to do now? Anyone? What we have to find out? Tell me. From the figure, what we have to find out? PQ. Distance between PQ. Yeah. So how can we find out PQ? Any idea? How can we find out PQ? PB and BQ. So first we need to find out PB from one triangle and BQ from another triangle. Then we need to add both. Okay, do that and tell me the answer. Find out PB and BQ, children. Find out PB and BQ fast. PB you can say clearly, na? Yeah, PB 50. PB 50 because tan 45. Triangle ABP. Tan 45. AB by PB. 1 is equal to 50 by PB. So PB is 50 meters. PB is 50 meters. And find out BQ. Find out BQ. Triangle ABQ. Tan 30 degrees. AB by BQ. 1 by root 3. 50 by BQ. BQ is 50 root 3. So PQ is equal to PB plus BQ. 50 plus 50 root 3. Take 50 common, 1 plus root 3. But root 3 value is given as 1.732. Root 3 value is given as 1.732. So find the distance. Oh, 52.732. Ashi, very good. Because 1 plus 1.732, 2.732. So 50 into 2.732, I think. You added it in a quick. Yeah, 50 into 2.732. Then how it got 52.732, Ashi? So here 50 into 1 plus 1.732. 50 into 2.732. How much it is? $146.6, 136.6, which is right. I'm getting two answers here. Which is right, Tulasi? 136.6. So the distance between two men is 136.6 meters. Okay. Next question. The horizontal distance between the two towers is 60 meters. The angle of depression of top of the first tower is seen from the top of the second tower is 30 degrees. The height of the second tower is 90 meters. Find the height of the first tower. This is the question. The horizontal distance between the two towers is 60 degrees. There are two towers. Then what is the horizontal distance here? The horizontal distance between the two towers is 60 meters. That means this one 60 meters. Okay. The angle of depression of top of the first tower when seen from the top of the second tower 30 degrees. Means this angle is 30 degrees. If the height of the second tower is 90 meters, find the height of the first tower. This is 90. We need to find out this one. Any idea, children? The angle of depression of top of the first tower when seen from the top of the second tower is 30. The height of the second tower is 90. Height of the second tower is 90. This is 90. We need to find out this. Once again, A, B, C, D. Once again, see, the horizontal distance between the two towers is 60. The angle of depression of top of the first tower when seen from the top of the second tower is 30 degrees. If the height of the second tower 90, find the height of the first tower. Yes, this is right. What to do now? Construct a line parallel to the line of sight. Parallel to the line of sight from the top of the first tower. Yeah, here we need to draw a line parallel to BC, intersecting AB at E. Okay. So this is 90. This is also 90, this is 90. This total is given 90 degrees, 90 meters. We need to find out this one. If this is H, this is also H. If this is 60, this is also 60. If this is H meters and this total is 90, this will be 90 minus H. Okay, and here these two all alternate interior angles, so this is 30 degrees. Find out H, children. Find out H. Find out H. हाँ 90 minus 60 root 3 है. Tan 30 degrees is equal to 90 minus h by 60. 1 by root 3 is equal to 90 minus h by 60. So 90 minus h into root 3 is equal to 60. 90 root 3 minus h root 3 equal to 60. 90 root 3 minus 60 is equal to h root 3. H root 3 is 90 minus h root 3 is 90 root 3 minus 60. then h is equal to 90 root 3 minus 60 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. 90 into 3 270 minus 180 by 3. 90 root 3 into root 3. Simplifications రావడం లేదు ఎవరికి. 90 root 3 into root 3 270 minus 60 root 3, sorry, it is 60 root 3 by 3. So how much you can take common? 30 common. 90 minus 2 root 3 by 3. 3/10. So h of the second tower is 900 minus 20 root 3. 900 minus 20 root 3. Root 3 is given 1.732. నేను ఎక్కడైనా మిస్టేక్ చేశానా? Why I am getting a different answer from you? I think 3, sorry, here. Here I can take only 3 common. అరే అమ్మమ్మ ఫోన్ చేస్తుంది, క్లాస్లో ఉన్నానని చెప్పరా ఫోన్ చేసింది. Common thing I did wrong here. So how much I can take common? 30, na? I can take common 30. So 9 minus 2 root 3 by 3. 3/10. So h is equal to 90 minus 20 root 3. You got the same, huh? 90 minus 20 root 3? Yeah. 90 minus 20 root 3. Root 3 is 1.732. Take root 3 1.732. You cannot take 9 common. Right? From 60, how can we take 9 common? So see, we can take only 30 common. Nine is not a factor of 60. బండగా చెప్పాలంటే 9 టేబుల్లో 60 రాదు. Is that right? Next question. Next question. From the top of a 7 meters high building, the angle of elevation of top of the cable tower is 60 degrees and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degrees. Determine the height of the tower. Use root 3 1.732. Okay. There is a 7 meters high building. There is a 7 meters high building, and in front of it there is a cable tower. Okay. Now, from the top of this building, the angle of elevation of top of the cable tower is given as 60 degrees. This is given 60 degrees. And the angle of depression of its foot, this one, 30 degrees. From the top of the 7 meters high building, the angle of elevation of top of the cable tower is 60 degrees, and angle of depression of its bottom or its foot is 30 degrees. So what we have to do? Not 30, 45 degrees, sorry. 45 degrees. And what we have to find out? We need to find out height of the cable tower. We need to find out height of the cable tower. We know if this is 7, this is also 7. Okay. This angle is 45, this angle is also 45 degrees. Now we need to find out x. We need to find out x value. After finding x, we need to add x plus 7 to get the height of the cable tower. Do it, children. There is a 7 AB. AB is the 7 meters high building. CD is the cable tower. AB is 7 meters high building. CD is the cable tower. So from the top of AB, means from A, elevation of top of the cable tower is 60 degrees and depression of bottom is 45 degrees. BD7, yeah, triangle ABD, tan 45, 7 by BD, 1 is equal to 7 by BD 7 meters. Okay, if this is 7, this is also 7. Now from triangle CEA, triangle CEA, tan 60 degrees is equal to h by x by 7. So root 3 is equal to x by 7. X is equal to 7 root 3. X is equal to 7 root 3. Now what is the total height of the cable tower? Total height of the cable tower CD is equal to x plus 7. So 7 root 3 plus 7. 7 times of root 3 plus 1. Root 3 value is given as 1.732. Okay, na? Root 3 value is given as 1.732. So what is the height of the tower? Cable tower 19.124. Good. Next question. The angle of elevation of top of a vertical tower from a point on the ground is 60 degrees. From another point 10 meters above, vertically above the first, its angle of elevation be 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower. Once again I am reading the problem. The angle of elevation of top of a vertical tower from a point on the ground is 60 degrees. Okay? There is a tower, and there is a point. AB is the tower, C is the point of observation, and from here the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Okay? Now, from another point 10 meters vertically above the first, its angle of elevation is 30 degrees. What do you mean by that? Now, from a point 10 meters above, vertically above the first one, that means this one. D is the point which is 10 meters above, vertically above C. D is the point which is 10 meters above, vertically above from C. From there, the elevation is 30 degrees. From there, the elevation is 30 degrees. And we need to find out height of the tower. That means AB. We need to find out height of the tower. Understand, children? There is a tower AB, and from C, the angle of elevation of top of the tower is 60 degrees. And now, from 10 meters above, from a point 10 meters vertically above from the first means C. First point of observation is C. So from C, 10 meters vertically above. From C, 10 meters vertically above. From there, now we get D. D is the point which is 10 meters vertically above from C. From here, the elevation is 30 degrees. We need to find out height of the tower. Do it fast. Let it be E. Yes, this is 10. We need to find out this. BC, DE are equal. BC, DE are equal. If this is X, this is also X. Yeah. Triangle ABC. Triangle ABC tan 60. H plus 10 by X. So root 3 is equal to H plus 10 by X. Let it be 1. Now triangle AED. Tan 30 degrees. H by X. 1 by root 3 is equal to H by X. X is equal to H root 3. X is equal to H root 3. Substitute the value here. Root 3 plus H plus 10. Root 3 is equal to H plus 10 by X. So root 3 is equal to H plus 10. In the place of X we can write H root 3. Now do cross multiply. 3H is equal to H plus 10. 2H is 10. H is 5 meters. H is 5 meters. It is 25. Yes, H is 15 meters. Height of the tower is 15 meters. Okay, na? So that's all for today. Again we'll meet today evening at 8 o'clock if possible. Thank you very much. You can leave the class. Click on the like button and leave the class. Click on the like button, children, and leave the class. Okay. Click on the like button. No one is doing it. Okay, bye.